Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on helping parents support children with learning difficulties through tips, strategies, and real talk. If you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon. It really helps the YouTube algorithm reach more parents who may need guidance on supporting their children with learning difficulties. Thanks for being here. Now, let's dive into today's video. MindMeister for Dyslexia, How Visual Mapping Unlocks Learning. For dyslexic thinkers, traditional note-taking can feel like trying to catch butterflies in a net. Ideas flutter everywhere, but putting them in order. Nearly impossible. What if you could see your thoughts instead of wrestling with paragraphs? MindMeister turns this struggle into strength by transforming linear notes into vibrant mind maps. Today, we'll explore how this tool helps dyslexic brains organize, remember, and create without relying solely on words. MindMeister operates on the principle of visual thinking, which is particularly beneficial for dyslexic users. Unlike conventional note-taking that relies heavily on sequential text, mind maps use a radial structure with a central idea branching out into related concepts. This spatial organization mirrors how many dyslexic thinkers naturally make connections between ideas. The platform allows users to represent information through keywords, short phrases, colors, and images, rather than long paragraphs, significantly reducing the cognitive load associated with reading and writing dense text. One of MindMeister's most powerful features is its ability to help dyslexic users overcome working memory challenges. By visually displaying relationships between concepts all at once, it eliminates the need to mentally reconstruct connections from linear notes. The color coding system provides instant visual categorization. For instance, a student might use green branches for key dates, blue for important people, and red for main events when studying history. This creates strong visual anchors that aid memory recall and make information easier to retrieve during exams or discussions. The platform also addresses common dyslexic difficulties with spelling and writing through several innovative features. The voice-to-map functionality allows users to brainstorm verbally, while the software automatically generates corresponding map elements, bypassing writing barriers entirely. Users can also attach images, icons, and even short videos to their maps, enabling them to express ideas without relying solely on text. For those who do need to include written content, MindMeister's integration with text-to-speech tools allows for auditory review of all text elements. MindMeister proves particularly valuable in collaborative settings. Teachers can create scaffolded templates with core concepts already mapped out, allowing dyslexic students to focus on adding their insights rather than struggling with note-taking mechanics. In professional environments, teams can work together in real time, combining visual and verbal strengths to develop projects or strategies. The presentation mode transforms mind maps into dynamic slideshows, helping dyslexic individuals communicate complex ideas without relying on text-heavy presentations. By working with cognitive strengths rather than against them, MindMeister provides dyslexic individuals with an alternative pathway for processing and expressing information. The platform demonstrates that, when given tools that match their natural thinking style, what is often labeled as a learning difficulty can transform into a distinct advantage in pattern recognition, creative problem-solving, and big-picture thinking. For many dyslexic users, discovering mind mapping represents more than just acquiring a new tool. It's the revelation that their brain wasn't the problem, but rather the conventional methods they'd been taught to use. For those exploring assistive technologies, MindMeister represents more than just software. It's a paradigm shift in how we approach information management for neurodivergent thinkers. The platform demonstrates that when we stop forcing square pegs into round holes and instead provide the right-shaped openings, what was labeled a disability frequently reveals itself as simply a different way of processing, one that comes with unique advantages in pattern recognition, big-picture thinking, and creative problem-solving. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6100-2665 or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.